We have successfully converted waste biomass into automotive fuel at our demonstration plant, which is where we are right now, here in Sarnia, Ontario. My name is Greg Nettle. I'm CEO of Woodland Biofuels. We have a technology to convert waste biomass into automotive fuel. So when I say waste biomass, it could be forestry waste, could be agricultural waste, could be municipal waste from our towns and cities. The key thing is that we're using garbage. We're not using food. That whole food versus fuel debate is simply not relevant to us. The first commercial plant is expected to produce about 21 million gallons of ethanol per year, or about 80 million liters. There is a lot of waste biomass in the world. So just in the US alone, there's about 1 billion tons of waste biomass. If we converted all of that into automotive fuel, it would actually produce enough fuel to almost entirely replace the gasoline supply. We literally expect to be one of the lowest cost producers on the planet. That's the scale of opportunity from an economic standpoint. The other thing from a high level to keep in mind is that we're really good for the environment. Our process reduces greenhouse gas emissions by up to 92% as compared to gasoline. Transportation sector is the single biggest source of greenhouse gas emissions in Ontario, and in fact, in any developed economy. So we can reduce the lion's share of those emissions by up to 92%. Our technology really is one of the most significant levers that we as a society potentially have to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and to really move the needle on climate change. The point is that we're ready. We're ready to build a commercial plant, and I'm very happy to say that that is exactly what we're working on right now and is expected to be located here in Sarnia. Why Sarnia? Why is our demonstration plant here? Why are we planning for a commercial plant here? Why are we working on that project right now? There is a deep expertise here, an extensive pool of labor, an incredible physical infrastructure that's in place to help support petrochemical and now with Woodland biochemical facilities. So we are tapping into that ecosystem that's been built up here in Sarnia over many years, tapping into it to enable us to build our plants more effectively, more efficiently, more successfully than would otherwise be the case. So that's one of the reasons why we think it's a smart decision to be located here in Sarnia.